Hello friends, I am Neha Antal from Assistant Professor in IMS Ghaziabad University Courses Campus. Today I am here to discuss a topic on viruses classification, that is Baltimore classification. Baltimore classification basically is based on what are their genome types and what are their mode of replication and transcription. That is suggested by David Baltimore, and David Baltimore classified viruses into 7 classes, which were firstly he classified 6 viruses into 6 classes, but at present HEPA-DNA virus is added into the Baltimore classes. Now there are 7 classes under this classification. Major group of viruses are distinguished first by their nucleic acid content as either DNA or RNA. Firstly, viruses are first classified either they are containing DNA or RNA. After that, that DNA is single-stranded or double-stranded, or RNA is single-stranded or double-stranded. If RNA is single-stranded, so it is of positive strand or of a negative strand. Here are 7 classes of Baltimore classification. First is double-stranded DNA genome, example lambda T4, bacterial virus, herpes virus, animal virus, example herpes virus and pox virus. Next is single-stranded DNA genome, that is 5 into lambda 174. Chicken anemia virus is an animal virus. Example, double-stranded RNA genome, 5-6. Example of this is reovirus. Next, fourth classification is single-stranded RNA genome that is of plus sense. Example, bacterial virus, MS2. Example of animal virus, poliovirus. Next one comes single-stranded RNA genome minus sense, animal virus, influenza virus, and rabies virus. Then comes single-stranded RNA genome that replicated with DNA intermediate. Example of animal virus is retrovirus, the most common one. Example of HIV virus. And now the latest one which comes under class 7, that is double-stranded DNA genome that replicates with RNA intermediate. An example is hepatitis B virus. As we all know, when viruses replicate, they form a messenger RNA, and messenger RNA is transcribed by ribosomes, and they perform protein synthesis, and side by side there is a replication of viral genome occurs. In a single stranded RNA genome, there is a plus sense messenger RNA is present as a viral genetic material. When this viral genome inserted into a host cell, this plus sense and messenger RNA act as a messenger RNA template strand, and this further undergoes as in transcription and then translation. But where in next class, that is class 5th, single-stranded RNA genome minus sense, the genome is in minus sense, that is anti-sense strand. They are coding for a negative one, anti-sense one. They doesn't if they are incorporated in a host cell, and firstly they are not utilized by mRNA as they are not coding for the perfect codon or a right codon. So first there is a need of conversion of minus sense into positive sense. Then positive sense, first the positive sense forms a template strand, with the help of template strand form a minus strand, and minus strand with the help of a template strand form positive strand. So that the after forming positive strand um, produces or utilized by ribosomes to make proteins, to perform protein synthesis to make capsid proteins or a viral structural proteins. And that minus sense strand RNA undergoes duplication or replication and form multiple copies of minus RNA genome, that is further packed into capsid and makes a new progeny virus which are matured and then released from the host cell. So in single-stranded RNA genome that replicated the class 6 one, in this the animal your viral cell is packed with single-stranded RNA, which when infect human cell or a host cell replicate into a DNA form. The first they are RNA, then they become DNA, and after DNA, and after DNA they again become into a RNA. Okay, and in class 7 there is a double stranded, first double stranded DNA genome is present which replicate into RNA and that again convert into a DNA, that is hepatitis B virus. Okay, there for example we have said we have said that there is a DNA intermediate or RNA intermediate is forming. So, for example, retroviruses. Retroviruses are envelope viruses that have complete copies of positive sense RNA, but they also contain a reverse transcriptase enzyme which has the ability to form RNA into a DNA or DNA, and which uses a viral RNA to form a complementary strand and form DNA, which is then again replicated to form a double stranded DNA. Okay, so retro means backward, कि जो प्रोसेस आपका पहले से चल रहा है वो दोबारा से वापस आके फिर वहीं पे वापस पहुंच जाता है. Okay, and if one another genome we study that is ambisense genome. Ambi means two, जहाँ पे आपके दोनों सेंस दोनों genome present है, either it is sense or negative sense, that under तो उन viruses को we known as ambisense genome. तो our virus genome composed of single stranded DNA or single stranded RNA, either it is positive sense or negative sense. Their examples are Buna variety minus sense and Arena variety minus sense RNA. Baltimore classification advantages. After when Baltimore classification is classified or come into the light, there it is easy to identify the viruses, as we can classify the viruses, the RNA positive strand RNA viruses, that if they are going into reverse transcription or not. No, and second is double stranded DNA viruses also are carrying DNA, do not carry up reverse transcription or not. So it is easy to classify viruses under Baltimore classification. Reverse transcripting enzyme you can say plus RNA present है, then आपका minus DNA with double stranded DNA plus RNA में convert हो रहा है. यहाँ पे आपका plus RNA है, जो आपका यहाँ पे आपका प्लस डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए है, प्लस आरएनए आपका माइनस आरएनए में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, फिर प्लस आरएनए में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए आपका प्लस आरएनए में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, फिर माइनस डीएनए में, फिर डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए में. डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए डायरेक्टली भी ट्रांसक्राइब हो रहा है. कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज है आरएनए वायरस की, जैसे हमने अभी डिस्कस किया है, मोस्ट आरएनए सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए पॉजिटिव सेंस होते हैं एंड ड्यूरिंग इन्फेक्शन एक्ट लाइक द मैसेंजर आरएनए कैन बी ट्रांसलेटेड बाय होस्ट राइबोसोम. एज वी हैव डिस्कस लाइक नेगेटिव सेंस में आपका आरएनए जो है एक्ट करता है एज अ टेम्पलेट ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एंड देन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सेंस वो बनाता है, दैट इज अ पॉजिटिव वन. नेगेटिव सेंस आरएनए जो होते हैं उनके पास एक अपना एंजाइम होना चाहिए, दैट इज आरडीआरपी, दैट इज आरएनए डिपेंडेंट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज विद इन द virion, so they can transcribe itself into a from a negative sense to a positive one. Okay, there are these are the RNA viruses. RNA viruses by agar if we discuss or see in through symmetry, they are certain helical and naked or envelope. Helical and envelope. These are the flow charts and their size and family name. RNA viruses examples for this positive sense: Picorna variety, Toga variety, Flavi variety, and Retto variety. RNA viruses negative sense paramyxorhabdo, orthomyxovarity, filovarity, bunyavarity, and riovarity. That is the only one double-stranded RNA virus. DNA viruses again they are of by shape icosahedral helical complex, naked envelope, envelope cytoplasmic, double-stranded, linear, circular. You can study here from the chart. DNA virus examples: adenovirus, herpes virus, pox virus, papoa virus, HepaDNA virus. These all are double-stranded viruses, and a single-stranded virus that is a parvovirus. Thank you.